Hey, Jason here. Today I'm here to talk to you about our value investing masterclass. But before we get to that, it's never been harder to find investments as a quote-unquote value investor. Stock market valuations are at or near all-time highs, not just on one metric, not just on two metrics, but on multiple different metrics. Yesterday, as of this recording, the S&P 500 hit a CAPE ratio of 37.1, which means the S&P 500 is more overvalued now than any other time in history in the last 120 plus years, other than right before the tech bubble popped. Yes, even more overvalued than the Great Depression. Because of that, as I said earlier, it's never been harder to find value investments as a stock investor. But because of the high valuations right now, you have a great time to learn value investing techniques, terminology, valuations, how to find great undervalued stocks so you can take advantage when the market crashes. I don't know when the market's going to crash, but it's coming sooner rather than later. Could be tomorrow, could be 5 years from now, could be 10 years from now. I don't know. But it's coming, and I want you to be ready, which is why I'm here to talk to you about my masterclass today. After we first launched this about 2 years ago, and we're getting ready to relaunch it. After reworking some stuff, and we're going to continue to rework more stuff. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know to become a world-class value investor fast. The terms, the techniques, 23 different valuations. You'll learn about owner's earnings. You'll learn about enterprise value. You'll learn how to find great stocks, which is really hard right now because of the valuations are so high. You'll learn specifically where I look to find these undervalued great stocks, what to look for them, the metrics. You'll learn everything from start to finish, including how to read financial statements, how to value stocks, again, 23 different ways. You'll learn all that in this masterclass. It's the best program me and my team have put together. This is the program that I think the most students have taken. Most students have had most students, or pretty much all students, have had success with. This is my favorite program we've produced. It includes 80 to 90 videos, and I say that, I don't give you a specific number, because we're going to revamp this whole course as we continue to go through it. We're going to add new stuff. We're going to make it better based on your feedback. There are quizzes in the course. Eventually, there will be a certification program, so you can become a certified value investing journey masterclass member. You'll also get access to a great and growing exclusive, secret, members only masterclass Facebook group where you'll be able to ask any question to me and the other students, get it answered, all that great stuff. You also get weekly trainings with me and the other students as well, where I will answer all of your questions about investing, stocks, where to find these stocks, valuation techniques, metrics, owner's earnings, whatever the case may be. Whatever you're struggling with, I will be there to help you the entire way along with the other students. Think of this particular portion as a bit of a mastermind. You'll learn better and faster with more people in there, and you'll get all your questions answered fast, which will help you improve faster. Look, I don't want you, when I started investing, I wasted literally 6 years of time on useless information. After 6 years of learning value investing, I didn't even know how to value a stock. After 6 years of investing, I invested real money and lost 50% of my portfolio within months, like that. Because I didn't know what I was doing still, and Mr. Market kicked me in the teeth because of it. I don't want you to have to go through literally years of wasted time, frustration, all that I had to deal with to become a great value investor. Again, students have taken this course. Within days, they're able to value stocks. Within weeks, they're confident enough to read financials and potentially invest on their own, depending on how fast you want to go in this program. I love this program. I want you in it. If you're looking to become a long-term, deep value investor, this is not for traders. This is not for crypto. This is not even to learn DCF valuations. I don't teach any DCF valuations. Everything I teach, as long as you understand sixth grade math, you can do in this program. That's it. Even if you have zero knowledge, we've had students take this program who had zero knowledge of finance and finance terms, who have gone from zero knowledge to investing for themselves in a matter of months. We love this program. Me and my team, we're going to keep making it better for you. All of our students have taken it so far, have loved it. Plus, you don't have to pay for this course all in one. You can pay $197 a month for this course at the link below. Plus, you don't have to pay up front for this course either. You can pay on a monthly basis for this course if you choose so. And you get everything I already mentioned, plus you get a free bonus as well, which is my entire process that helped me evaluate 3,943 stocks in 73 different countries in 40 days. You get that free just for signing up. You'll get that entire process, 38, I think it's 38 pages doc with 28 videos in there. This is an extra that you're getting right now today if you sign up. Plus, when you sign up, you also get a 14-day free trial, meaning you don't even have to pay me 1 cent for this course. You get access to the first 2 weeks of the course, this and all the other bonuses I've talked about. You'll get access to that for free for 14 days, and on day 15, if you like the course, that's when you pay me for it. So that's how much I believe in this course. Is you don't pay me anything until you see the course, you see the results, you get the bonuses, all of that. Plus, you get lifetime access to the course as we add new things, as we update things, as we improve things. You get lifetime access as long as you remain a member. I hope you join us. I'd love to have you in this program. And I look forward to helping you become a world-class value investor faster. If you don't know me that well, why should you trust anything I have to say? Well, in the first 9 years of my career, I produced average annual returns in the portfolios I manage of 23.5% per year on average, not compounded. This puts me right behind Warren Buffett, the great Warren Buffett. He produced 24.2% returns on average in the first 9 years of his career. I'm not saying this to brag. Frankly, just talking about it makes me a little bit queasy. But I'm saying this to prove that I actually know what I'm talking about, to prove to you that I can help you. How can I help you? Because in this process, in this course, you'll learn the process that I took to go from 6 years learning nothing to being one of the best stock pickers in the entire world. That's what you learn in this course. And I hope you'll join us. I look forward to talking with you more soon. And if you have any questions, you can sign up, or you can get a free call on my calendar to ask me any questions about the program before you sign up. But again, you get this 14 free days, or 14 days for free, sorry, before you even have to pay me 1 cent. You get 2 weeks of the course, you get the bonuses, you get all that for 14 days before you pay me 1 cent. So I'd love to have you in this course. Look forward to talking to you more soon. Look forward to getting you in this group and the trainings and the mastermind to help you improve faster with somebody who actually knows what they're talking about, who's somebody who's invested in the markets, with somebody who wants to help you avoid the struggles that I had when I first started. Look forward to helping you out soon. Bye.